Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I definitely still am looking at this as potentially making an ABC down, which would likely take it out down below the low of wave 4, which most likely is an ABC of B. Then I think it's likely to go back up for a wave C. But this is the monthly time frame, and all this could potentially take a year or more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this is very clearly 5 waves down right there, calling this a wave A. I think this is one of those irregular ABC crescents that I always talk about, because you have a big wave A, a little wave B, and then a little wave C, and then bam, big impulsive turn, end of a crescent, end of a wave B. Now I believe we are in a downtrend, which will probably last quite some time, probably at least several months, for a wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since we got this breaker structure to the downside last week, that proves to me that this trend right here is over. And if that trend really is a wave C, which I believe it is, then this should now be continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. So with that information in mind, I am definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, our most recent structure level is right there. So if it does break that, then I definitely will turn back into a buyer. But ever since we had that breaker structure last week, I would have been looking to go short on every single pullback I see for the continuation of the downtrend, which I definitely will continue to do into the future, at least until I get a breaker structure to the upside on at least a 4 hour to daily time frame. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have CPI inflation data coming out today for the US. I will be in a live Zoom meeting at the time with all my members, so if anybody is interested in joining my membership, you join at fxpipcollector.com. And I do daily Zoom meetings for the New York session. But either ways, for me personally, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. Like I said, ever since we broke structure way back here, I would have been looking to go short there, looking to go short here, 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 and probably here. So the trend is your friend. I am not looking for long opportunities. I'll ignore every move I see to the long upside. I am only going to go short, and I'm only going to go short at three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. So we'll have to see what CPI does today. If it does cause it to go up, I'm probably not even going to trade it. If it causes it to continue the downtrend, well, really, this entry was back here. So if you're not already in the trade, then it's kind of too late. But the trend is your friend, so continue to look for shorts in a downtrend for now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.